We are very happy to have this award for our TB design. And Litemove's design philosophy is combining electronic expertise, also design expertise and rider experience of our team in Taiwan, but also in Europe. Customer safety is key. Combining with easy handling and sustainability, we fulfill these expectations. The core of our TB02 and 04 is a smart brake sensor. This allows to warn the traffic behind you while you slow down. This turns the device from a passive light to an active warning system. We have a special lens design with a certain angle between 70 and 90 degrees that allows to adjust the light without adjustment. So this allows to have maximum compatibility on even special shapes of seat posts for a nice, smooth, clean fitting. So the design of the light is for easy replacing of the battery in case of it run out of lifetime. It allows to have a long runtime of the light itself. Using high-end components and a clever electronic design with different modi allows to have this long runtime. The built-in USB-C cable allows to charge everywhere. This allows us to be on another level than other brands.